Imagine for a moment that 1 year from today you wake up, pick up your phone, answer a call in English, and speak naturally without fear. You don't stop to translate. You don't worry about grammar. You don't search for words. The conversation simply flows. Now ask yourself one question. What is the difference between that future version of you and the person you are today? The answer is not intelligence. It is not talent. It is not age. It is not even grammar. The biggest difference is daily practice and the courage to speak before you feel ready. Many people dream of speaking English fluently, but only a small number actually become fluent. Have you ever wondered why? It is not because English is impossible. It is not because only gifted people can do it. It is because most people follow the wrong path. They spend years studying the language, but very little time actually using it. They collect grammar books, save hundreds of videos, write endless notes, and memorize difficult vocabulary. Yet when someone asks them a simple question like, "How are you today?" they freeze. Their mind becomes empty. Their confidence disappears. Their heart starts beating faster. This happens because speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You can read 10 books about balance, watch 100 videos, and understand every rule. But until you get on the bicycle and start riding, you will never learn. English works exactly the same way. Reading helps. Grammar helps. Vocabulary helps. But speaking improves only when you speak. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect moment. They say, "I will start speaking after I finish grammar." Then grammar never ends. They say, "I will speak after I learn 5,000 words." Then they keep memorizing words without using them. They tell themselves, "I am not ready." But the truth is that nobody is completely ready. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner who made hundreds of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. Every mistake teaches you something. Every sentence you speak makes your brain stronger. Every conversation increases your confidence. The only people who never make mistakes are the people who never try. Sometimes learners become afraid because they compare themselves with others. They listen to someone speaking perfect English and immediately think, "I can never speak like that." But what they don't see is the years of practice behind that confidence. Every fluent speaker once struggled with pronunciation. Every fluent speaker once forgot simple words. Every fluent speaker once felt embarrassed. The difference is that they continued anyway. Comparison steals motivation. Instead of comparing yourself with someone else, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Maybe yesterday you knew 10 new words. Today you know 12. Yesterday you spoke for 1 minute. Today you spoke for 3. That is progress. Small improvements repeated every day create amazing results over time. Another reason why people never become fluent is because they depend too much on translation. They hear an English sentence and immediately translate it into their native language. Then they think of a response in their native language before translating it back into English. This process is slow and exhausting. It makes speaking difficult because your brain is doing double work. Instead, train yourself to connect English words directly with ideas, pictures, and experiences. When you hear the word apple, don't think of the translation. Imagine a bright red apple. When you hear rain, imagine rain falling outside your window. When you hear happy, remember a joyful moment in your life. This habit helps your brain think naturally in English. Many learners also believe that difficult words make them sound smarter. They spend hours memorizing advanced vocabulary, but forget the simple words they actually need every day. The truth is that fluent speakers use simple English most of the time. They communicate clearly instead of trying to impress people. If you can confidently use common words correctly, your conversations will become much easier. Don't underestimate simple sentences. I am learning English. I like reading books. I need some help. What do you think? These sentences may look basic, but they are powerful because they are useful. Fluency begins with simple language used confidently. Another common problem is inconsistency. Some learners study for 5 hours on Sunday and then do nothing for the next 6 days. They believe long study sessions are enough. But language learning is like exercise. One long workout each week cannot replace daily movement. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day is more effective than studying only once in a while. Imagine planting a small seed. You don't pour 100 buckets of water on it once a month. You give it a little water every day. Your English grows the same way. Small daily practice creates steady improvement. Listening is another habit that many people ignore. They expect to speak fluently without listening carefully. But speaking grows from listening. Children spend many months listening before they say their first words. They hear the same sounds every day until their brain naturally recognizes patterns. You can do something similar. Listen to English every day. Listen while walking, cooking, exercising, or traveling. Listen to conversations, stories, interviews, and lessons. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Gradually, your ears will become familiar with natural English. Pronunciations also becomes easier through listening. Instead of memorizing pronunciation rules, copy native speakers. Listen to one sentence. Pause the audio. Repeat it exactly as you hear it. Copy the rhythm, stress, and emotion. Repeat several times. This simple exercise trains your mouth and ears together. Confidence is built through action, not waiting. Many people think confidence comes first and speaking comes later. Actually, speaking creates confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become. Confidence is the result of repeated action. Imagine standing on the edge of a swimming pool. You can spend hours thinking about the water, but you won't become a swimmer until you get in. Speaking English is the same. The first few conversations may feel uncomfortable, but each one becomes easier than the last. Some learners are afraid that others will laugh at their mistakes. But think about this. When someone is trying to learn your language, do you laugh at them or do you respect their effort? Most kind people appreciate anyone who is learning. They understand that learning a new language takes courage. Even if someone criticizes you, remember that their opinion cannot stop your progress unless you allow it. Every successful learner has faced criticism. They continued anyway because their goal was more important than temporary embarrassment. Another important habit is speaking aloud. Many learners only read silently. They understand what they read, but their mouths never practice producing the words. Reading silently improves recognition. Reading aloud improves speaking. Take any short paragraph. Read it aloud every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Focus on pronunciation and rhythm. Over time, your mouth will become more comfortable with English sounds. Talking to yourself is another powerful exercise. Some people think it feels strange, but it is one of the best ways to practice. Describe your room. Explain your daily routine. Talk about your plans. Tell yourself what you are doing while cooking or cleaning. The more you use English during ordinary moments, the more natural it becomes. Don't wait for the perfect speaking partner. Use every opportunity, speak to yourself. Record your voice. Repeat sentences. Answer questions aloud. Practice in front of a mirror. Every minute of speaking counts. Recording your voice may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is incredibly helpful. After recording yourself, listen carefully. Notice your pronunciation. Identify words that sound unclear. Record again after making corrections. Over time, you will hear real improvement. Many people lose motivation because they expect quick results. They want fluency in 1 month. When it doesn't happen, they become disappointed and quit. But language learning is not a race. It is a journey. Every day of practice brings you closer to your goal. Even when the improvement feels small, think about building a wall. 1 brick doesn't look impressive. 2 bricks don't either. But after placing 1 brick every day, eventually you have a strong wall. Fluency is built 1 sentence, 1 conversation, and 1 day at a time. Celebrate small victories. Maybe today you understood a video without subtitles. Maybe you introduced yourself confidently. Maybe you learned 5 useful expressions. These moments matter. They remind you that progress is happening. Your environment also affects your learning. If English only exists during study time, your progress will be slower. Bring English into your daily life. Change your phone language. Write shopping lists in English. Think about your plans in English. Label objects around your home. Read simple articles. Listen to short podcasts. Make English part of your everyday routine. Remember that vocabulary is easier to remember when learned in context. Instead of memorizing isolated words, learn complete phrases. Instead of learning the word decision, learn make a decision. Instead of learning attention, learn pay attention. Your brain remembers meaningful combinations more easily than individual words. Ask questions whenever you learn something new. How can I use this word today? Can I create 3 sentences with it? Can I include it in a conversation? Active learning creates stronger memory than passive reading. Patience is one of the greatest strengths in language learning. There will be days when you feel stuck. There will be days when everything seems difficult. This is normal. Progress is not always visible. Sometimes your brain is quietly organizing everything you have learned before showing obvious improvement. Imagine climbing a mountain surrounded by clouds. You may not see the top, but every step still brings you closer. Keep climbing. Eventually the clouds disappear, and you realize how far you have come. Don't believe the myth that adults cannot learn languages well. Adults learn differently from children, but they can absolutely become fluent. Adults have discipline, life experience, and learning strategies that children do not have. Your age is not your limitation. Your consistency is what matters. Stop negative thoughts with positive actions. Instead of saying, "My English is terrible," say, "My English is improving every day." Instead of saying, "I can't speak," say, "I am learning to speak." Your words influence your mindset, and your mindset influences your actions. Success is not about being perfect. It is about refusing to quit. Every person who speaks English fluently today reached that point because they continued when learning became difficult. If you only have 10 minutes today, use those 10 minutes. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Speak for 5 minutes. Tomorrow, do it again. Next week, do it again. Next month, continue. These small actions create extraordinary results. Remember that fluency is not speaking without mistakes. Fluency is expressing your ideas comfortably, even when your English is not perfect. Perfect grammar is not the goal. Effective communication is the goal. Every sentence you speak is proof that you are improving. Every conversation makes the next one easier. Every challenge you overcome increases your confidence. Don't be afraid of slow progress. Be afraid of giving up completely. Right now, make a promise to yourself. Promise that you will speak a little English every single day. Promise that you will not let fear control your future. Promise that you will practice even when you don't feel confident. Because confidence grows from practice, not before it. 1 year from now, you can still be wishing that you had started, or you can be speaking English with confidence because you decided to begin today. The choice is completely yours. Start with one sentence, then another, then another. Keep going, keep learning, keep speaking. Never let fear become stronger than your dreams. Your voice deserves to be heard. Your ideas deserve to be shared. Your future becomes brighter every time you choose practice over excuses. So smile, believe in yourself, speak with courage, learn with patience, and remember this simple truth. The people who become fluent are not always the smartest people in the room. They are the people who keep speaking long after everyone else has stopped. Let that person be you. Every single day, take one more step, say one more sentence, learn one more phrase, and never stop believing that fluency is possible, because it truly is.